In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite teammates to your Asana workspace. Whether you're coordinating a small team or managing a large project, being able to seamlessly integrate your teammates into Asana can really streamline collaboration and boost productivity. First, you need to open the navigation panel on the left side of your Asana interface. If it isn't open yet, you'll do this by clicking the hamburger menu icon located conveniently at the top left of your screen. This will provide you with access to various features and settings you'll need. Once you have the navigation panel open, take a look towards the bottom of the menu. Here, you'll find a button labeled Invite Teammates. This is your gateway to bringing others into your workflow, making collaboration a breeze. Click on this button to move forward with inviting your teammates. At this point, you should see an option to enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite. Type in their emails carefully to avoid any errors that might lead to a delay in the invite process. You can invite multiple teammates at once, so feel free to add as many emails as needed for your project's success. After entering these details, the next big step is to select the projects to which you want your new teammates to have access. Asana allows you to tailor who sees what, so ensure you select the appropriate projects that align with each person's role and responsibilities. Once you're satisfied with your selections, simply click on the Send button. Upon doing this, your teammates will receive an email in their inbox with an invitation. It's a good idea to give them a quick heads up, prompting them to check their emails. They'll need to accept the invitation by clicking on the link provided. If they're new to Asana, they'll also be prompted to create an account. This is a straightforward process that shouldn't take them long. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully sent out invites, and your teammates are now well on their way to joining your projects on Asana. This integration will not only help you coordinate tasks and deadlines, but also foster a more cohesive team environment. Remember, communication is key, so take advantage of Asana's features to keep everyone in the loop. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.